Hi there! Let's take a moment to relax and feel calm, just like our friendly turtle. Imagine you're this turtle, resting peacefully in a soft, sunny field. Are you ready? Let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose as the circle grows big. Imagine you're pulling into your cozy shell, safe and warm. Now, slowly breathe out through your mouth as the circle gets smaller. Imagine you're coming out of your shell, feeling calm and happy. And breathe out, gently stretching out into the world as the circle shrinks. One more time, deep breath in, following the circle as it grows. And slow breath out, following it as it gets smaller. Great job! Now, let's stretch like a turtle waking up. Gently stretch your arms out in front of you, like a turtle reaching for the sunshine. Now, let your arms relax by your side. Stretch your legs out in front of you, and then let them relax too. Feel your whole body soft and calm, just like our turtle friend. Now, look around in your mind and imagine what you see in the turtle's world. Maybe there are flowers swaying gently in the breeze, or butterflies fluttering by. Now, take a deep breath in as the circle grows, and notice how calm and peaceful it feels. And a slow breath out as the circle shrinks, knowing you can always come back to this quiet place. You did a wonderful job, just like our turtle. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, remember you can follow the breathing circle guide. Breathe in when it grows big, and breathe out when it gets small to find your calm. Thank you for spending this time with me. See you next time.